Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Storytellawyer. I'm a lawyer and storyteller. I share real-life legal case stories to show that legal knowledge is fun and essential for everyone. You can find additional details of this legal case in the description below. Click share, like, and subscribe button for fascinating legal stories and updates. This video is meant for educational and entertainment purposes and not intended to provide legal advice of any kind. Storytellawyer will not be liable for actions taken based on the content provided on this video. Today I will tell you a story about privacy invasion by sharing videos of someone's intimate moments such as sexual activities. This is a story of Giller and Procopets, where the Court of Appeal ordered $40,000 payout for posting sex videos of ex-girlfriend. Let's get started. Miss Alla Giller and Mr. Boris Procopets lived together like a married couple but weren't legally married. Like many couples, they broke up when things went south. After the breakup, Boris shared and threatened to share private videos of their sexual activities. Alla was devastated and felt her privacy was invaded. Alla took Boris to court. Alla argued in court that the actions of Boris caused her severe emotional distress and invaded her privacy. She contended that Boris intentionally distributed and threatened to distribute videos of their sexual activities, aiming to degrade and humiliate her. However, Boris contended that his actions were not intended to cause the level of harm claimed by Alla, challenging the notion that his conduct was calculated to degrade and humiliate her. Boris argued that there was no law supporting the recovery of damages for mental distress caused by the intentional infliction of emotional distress. What did the court find? The court had to decide on several issues. Number one, privacy invasion, whether Boris's sharing the videos breached privacy. Number two, emotional distress, whether Alla suffered emotional harm because of Boris's actions. Number three, damage and compensation, whether Alla should be compensated for her mental distress. So, what did the court find? The court found that Boris's conduct caused Alla significant emotional distress, including anger, humiliation, and frustration. The court recognized the strong argument for compensatory damages for mental distress, even if it did not amount to a recognized mental illness. The court supported the notion that intentional infliction of emotional distress should be compensable. The court found that distribution and threats to share videos of sexual activity are breach of confidence. This was because the videos were confidential and their unauthorized distribution caused significant distress to Alla. The court considered whether the law recognized breach of privacy. The court acknowledged the evolving nature of privacy law and the strong argument for recognizing the breaches in cases of intentional harm and distress caused by the publication of private information. Initially, the primary judge rejected Alla's claim for damages and compensation for intentional infliction of emotional distress, stating that the law did not support recovery for mental distress not amounting to mental illness. According to the original decision made by the judge of the initial proceedings, recovery can only occur if the victim experiences mental illness or if mental distress escalates to the level of a mental illness, yes, amounting to mental illness. Alla was not happy with the original decision, so she appealed the case to the higher court. The Court of Appeal disagreed with the original decision of the primary judge. The court allowed the appeal and recognized the claim for intentional infliction of emotional distress, awarding damages for the distress caused by Mr. Boris's actions. The Court of Appeal ultimately found that Boris's actions were indeed a breach of privacy and caused Alla significant emotional distress. Although Alla sued Boris for emotional distress caused by the publication of video, the court also had to consider the broader context of their relationship, including domestic violence, to fully understand the impact on her. The court awarded Alla $40,000 in damages for the emotional distress and humiliation caused by the distribution of videos and threat to distribute. Respecting others' privacy is crucial. Sharing another person's private information without consent can have serious legal consequences. Let me ask you questions about Privacy and confidence. What are the potential psychological and social impacts on individuals who experience such breach of privacy and confidence? Have you experienced something similar? Leave comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful stories on legal cases.